I think especially now as we move into the agentic AI world, the pace of innovation is even faster still. Are you able to share what tech providers make up that tech stack?
Yeah, for us, we are on two major cloud providers. So Amazon, AWS, as well as Google GCP. And the way we think about it is for Amazon, for us, Amazon and AWS services have been very much about making sure all of our infrastructure and some of the core applications run on AWS. So we use it in a very much a style of infrastructure as a service. That was the first cloud environment which we set up when we started on this journey. And over time, we have built our digital and data stack incrementally on Google Cloud, and that also enables a lot of the machine learning and AI capabilities on Google Cloud. For us, it has been, fascinating in terms of how it has evolved because last year when everyone was trying to think through how to set up their Gen AI capability, we were able to get it up and running very quickly on Google Cloud with Vertex AI and all the Gemini models, and over time with Model Garden on a lot of Anthropic models and open source model. So cloud has enabled that. Otherwise, just the setup of that environment in terms of availability of all of those Gen AI tools and models would have taken a long time for a regulated financial services organization. Whereas because we had the cloud environment and all the risk and the security aspects covered for enablement of a lot of those models and capabilities have been very fast for us. Like we did that over a period of 3 to 4 months.
Wow, that is super fast compared to much of the industry in general, and especially in financial services. What about Gen AI in the analytics use case? Can you share a little bit about that?
Yeah, I mean, it's extending more and more, and the way I see this is, if you think about prompt engineering, that fundamentally becomes a tool to drive, hyper productivity for a lot of analysts and people who are working in data. I mean, we made a transition over the last 18 months onto ThoughtSpot. And part of it was, reason was we wanted to ensure there was enough reusability across all the curated data sets we were getting. So just for the listeners, like the way I think about it is you've got a set of curated data assets which are maintained by your data platform teams. So think of your mortgage data set, your business lending data set, your deposits data set, your customer data set, and it could be many, many different types of data set. And then you've got a set of live boards which are verified and certified by the analytics team, so small analytics team. And then that is made available to a broad set of users. And then the users can apply their own natural language query, which, with ThoughtSpot, with Spotter and Sage, it allows them a good level of self-service with respect to analytical. And I know ThoughtSpot was, again, early on this journey with respect to enabling a lot of these capabilities. And I was curious about this concept all the way back in 2013. But finally, when I saw ThoughtSpot, I was like, okay, yeah, this could really work at an enterprise grade. And it has been amazing in terms of freeing up the capacity of a lot of our analysts and business community at the moment, or user community broadly at the moment, is able to self-serve, use these data sets, create their own live boards, and we govern and maintain it to make sure that we do not get crazy amount of live boards there. So we are looking at the usage continuously and monitoring it. But at the same time, we have got a reliable set of verified and certified live boards, which gets used by people who do not want to create them and just consume it. So I think it satisfies both of those needs.